Good day everyone, I am Alcimi Certifico and we will discuss the topic 2 which is critical thinking, collaboration, and writing process. In today's discussion, we will also discuss the following: the writing process, the pre-writing of the writing process, and the writing stage of the writing process. And before we discuss them, we should first know the topic objective, for it motivates everyone to listen the discussion properly. Here are the following topic objectives that guides and inspires everyone to listen the whole discussion attentively. By the end of the discussions, everyone are expected to define the importance of writing process. Next, understand and learn the stages of writing. And lastly, apply their learnings about the topic. Before we officially discuss our main topic, which is all about the writing process and the different stages of writing process, let's have first a recap about the critical thinking. We already know that critical thinking is about conceptualizing, applying, and analyzing something. A person who has a critical thinking is so blessed, for it is needed in writing different articles, journal, or whatever documentation essay you want to write. Well, we will not further our discussion about critical thinking because it's already discussed in our previous reporter. And I know you already know the true meaning of critical thinking. Next, we have collaboration. Collaboration means working together with one or more people to complete a project or task or develop ideas or processes. So it means collaboration is important in doing different tasks or projects. For you can have a companion to do such tasks, or you can have a team, or let's just say they just have a teamwork. Well, it enables individuals to work together to achieve what they want to do in their task. For shorts, it's all about sharing responsibility, authority, and accountability for achieving results. We already heard in our main topic, which is the writing process. So what is the writing process? Writing process, it describes a sequence of physical and mental actions that people take as they produce any kind of text. So, when we say writing, it's all about exercising our critical thinking. Well, critical thinking informs all good writing, and every writing demands everyone to think ahead so that they can meet the specific goals. And when we say process, it is a series of actions or steps taken in order to achieve a particular aim. Everyone should know the different process of writing, for it will help us to achieve good result when we are writing. And it also helps us to be a good writer in the future. There are 5 qualities of good writing where it helps us to be a good writer in the future. The following are the 5 qualities of good writing. First, we have focus, development, unity, coherence, and last but not the least, correctness. These qualities are important, especially in academic and expository writing. To know the meaning of these 5 qualities, please hold your breath and listen carefully as we proceed to their meanings. So let's have the meaning of 5 qualities of good writing. The first one is the focus. An essay should have a single clear central idea. Each paragraph should have a clear main point or topic sentence. So, when you are going to write an essay or any documentation essay, articles, journals, or whatever kind of essay, you should consider the main point of each paragraph. You should know what is the main point of that paragraph. And when you are going to choose a topic, please choose a topic that you know you can handle it so that you can explain it properly and very well. Second, we have development. Each paragraph should support or expand central idea of the paper. The idea of each paragraph should be explained and illustrated through examples, details, descriptions. So, in these qualities, it supports your main point, your central idea, or your topic sentence by giving examples, details, and descriptions. And during these qualities, your essay are going to being well explained, and it is illustrated thoroughly where people who can read your articles, your journals, or documentation essay can really understand what you want to express. The third qualities of good writing is the unity. Every paragraph in an essay should be related to the main idea. Each paragraph should stick to its main point. So it means it's all about how you stick to your main point, how you use a sentence that are related or connected to your main point. The fourth qualities of good writing is the coherence. An essay or paper should be organized locally, flow smoothly, stick together. In other words, everything in the writing should make sense to a reader. So it means when you are going to do an essay, you should be creative. You should organize it properly so that it can make sense to a reader and you can get their attention as you persuade them to read your articles, essay, or different kind of essay. The last and the important qualities of good writing is the correctness. A paper should be written in generally correct standard English with complete sentences and be relatively error-free. So it means when you are going to write an essay, you should write it in a proper grammar. You should write it in a proper English, proper spelling, and be relatively error-free. If you want to be a good writer in the future, I encourage you all to apply these 5 qualities of good writing. Through these 5 qualities of good writing, we are able to know the aspects of what are the most wanted of our readers. And it helps us to be more creative the way we write, the way we express our ideas, thoughts, and feelings. It also helps us to be more creative in organizing and sequencing sentences that are related to our main point. There are 5 basic stages of writing process. They are pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing. In order we can know the importance and the uses of these different basic stages of writing process, I will give the throne to Mr. Bogo to explain the different stages of writing process.